Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Christmas John Doe. This highly sought-after item is only available through a very specific, time-sensitive method. To begin, you must first ensure you are logged into the game or actively participating in the promotional event during the holiday season. This window typically opens on December 1st and closes promptly on December 26th. Missing this crucial period means you will have to wait another full year for a potential opportunity. Be prepared for a unique challenge. Once the event is active, your next step is to fulfill a series of unique requirements. The primary method involves completing the exclusive Winter Wonderland quest. This quest comprises 5 distinct challenges, each designed to test your dedication. For instance, you'll need to gather exactly 100 snowflake shards scattered across 3 specific icy regions. Additionally, prepare to face the formidable Frost Giant, a boss that must be defeated within a strict 10-minute window. These tasks are not for the faint of heart, demanding both skill and perseverance. Upon successfully completing all 5 challenges of the Winter Wonderland quest, your journey is almost complete. You must then return to the Holiday Hub and seek out the non-player character named Nicholas. He is the sole individual authorized to recognize your achievement. Nicholas will then bestow upon you the gift of Giving Token. This token is the only item that grants access to the special Holiday Vault, where the Christmas John Doe awaits. Present the token, and the item is yours, but remember, this is the only way. It is crucial to understand that this outlined method is the only confirmed way to acquire the Christmas John Doe. There are absolutely no alternative quests, no in-game store purchases, and no trading options available for this specific item. Any claims of other methods are likely fraudulent and should be ignored. Therefore, meticulous planning and dedicated effort during the brief holiday event are paramount. Missing any step or the event window means you will not obtain this exclusive collectible until the next annual opportunity, if it even returns.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.